Hello, welcome back to my channel, guys. Before I start working on the Honda, please help me subscribe to my channel, click that bell notification so every time I have new video you guys will be updated. But I'm working on a 2021 Honda CRV hybrid 2.0 liter, and I'm working on the oil change service. Now you can see the oil is kind of low and it's dirty. Now you're gonna take out the metal cover right here, and then you're gonna get to the drain bolt. The oil filter is right in the front. I loosened it already. There you go. Ooh, it's pretty dirty. Ooh, it's bad. Let it drain out. Now everything is completely drained out. I put a little bit of oil on the new oil filter on the gasket so it sits better. Wipe the oil filter housing spot. Tighten it down, hand tighten, not too crazy. There you go. For the drain bolt, tighten it down with hand first. So this is tight, just snug it a little bit. There you go, that's it. And then wipe the spot, put the cover back. Now for the oil, the Honda Tech 020. I have 020 full synthetic here. This is a 5-quart chug. It's kind of hard for me to hold with one hand and pour it in, but I'm gonna put in 4.5 and then check it. Now I put in 4.5 already. Now I'm gonna check it. There you go. I don't know if you can see it, slightly over the high mark. So the filter is gonna take it down a bit, so it'll be at the high mark. So this is perfect. Now I'm gonna have key on and reset the oil light. Since this has the low tire pressure too, I also fill up the air for all the tires already, up to 35. You can do it at the right spec, whatever they have in the sticker on the door. You can do it exactly the same, or you can do slightly over, as long as you get them all even the same, so that way you can recalibrate it. So now I'm gonna show you. There you go, it says low tire pressure. I'm gonna go to home, setting, vehicle, tire calibration. There you go, calibrate started, so that's good. There you go, press home. And then for the oil, I'm gonna show you guys. Press home, press all the menu button. You're gonna go to the wrench. Press OK. Now hold it. Keep holding it. Press down. You see it? It says cancel. Press down. All due item. There you go. Reset complete. Now I'm going to turn off the car, turn it back on, and that's it, guys. So just a oil change for this car, an oil reset. If you guys new to my channel, please help me subscribe. If you guys have any comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.